Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox a new bag from Gucci. This time is another style. So let's open the box. We are going to take it out from the dust bag, and here we go. The bag has GG and the band, the three colors, green and red, and it is leather. And you can see, try to open the zipper, and it's quite difficult because it's new and it is stuffed with some papers inside. So the bag has a name inside, Gucci, on the packet, and there are some papers came with it, care instructions, and it's written in different languages. And now we are going to remove the plastic that covers the strap of the bag. So guys, the bag has a handle on the top, and it also have a shoulder strap. And the shoulder strap is not removable. It is adjustable, but you cannot remove it. And now we will just adjust the shoulder strap based on the length that we feel comfortable. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.